Hi, Mike. You look really tired today.
Hey, Emily. Yeah, just a little.
Too many lectures. I almost fell asleep this afternoon.
Same here. That history class felt never-ending.
Anyway, how was your day?
It was okay, but something happened. In English class, the teacher asked me a question. I tried to answer, but my grammar was wrong. Some students laughed.
That's not nice. They shouldn't laugh like that.
Yes, but I lost my confidence.
Don't feel small. Everyone makes mistakes.
Afraid to speak English again.
If you stop speaking, you'll never improve. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Easy for you to say.
My English isn't perfect either. I make mistakes too. Laughing isn't bad, but fear is the problem.
I wanted to run away.
I felt that too once, but I kept practicing.
You're strong.
You can be strong too.
My grammar is weak.
That's fine. We can practice together.
Together?
Yes, you and me, 15 minutes of English every day.
But I'll make mistakes.
That's okay. We'll laugh in a kind way.
All right, but what will we talk about?
Anything in our hobbies, dreams, daily life. Let's begin right now. Tell me, what's your hobby?
My hobby? I like drawing.
You're an artist.
Not a real one, just simple sketches.
That's wonderful. You should show me someday.
Sure. What about you?
I like reading stories.
English stories?
At first, I didn't understand much, but I improved slowly.
That's great. I should try reading too.
Reading helps a lot.
But reading is hard. So many words I don't know.
Start with easy books. Even children's stories can be useful.
Good idea.
Read aloud to improve speaking.
I'll try that.
Good. Step by step, you'll get better.
Thanks. I already feel lighter.
See? Talking helps.
It really does.
Let's keep going. What did you eat for lunch?
Rice, dal, and bread. Nice. And you?
2 chapatis and vegetables. See? Easy conversation.
Yes, very easy.
In class, teachers ask hard questions.
Yes, but this feels simple.
That's how we start. Then, small steps first.
Okay.
What's your favorite place in your town?
A small river near my home.
Why do you like it?
It's peaceful. I draw pictures there.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Thanks. What about you?
My favorite place is the library.
That suits you.
I love reading there. It's quiet and calm.
See? This isn't so hard.
Exactly. You speak well.
No, my grammar is bad.
Forget grammar. Speak first.
Okay, let's try another question.
Sure. Tell me your dream.
I want to be an artist.
What kind of artist?
I want to draw for books.
Want to draw for books. Oh, an illustrator. That's amazing.
But my English is weak. How can I work in big cities?
Don't worry. Step by step, you'll reach your goal.
Maybe.
Not maybe. Surely.
What about your dream?
I want to be a teacher.
A teacher?
Yes, an English teacher for children.
Then you must speak perfectly.
That's why I practice daily.
Really? You don't look shy.
I hide it, but I feel nervous inside.
But you still try.
Yes, trying makes us better.
You're brave.
And you will be too.
From today, I won't stop.
Good. Let's play a game.
What game?
A word game. I say a word, you make a sentence.
Sounds hard.
Not really. Try it. First word, book.
Book. I have one book.
Perfect. Next word, school.
I go school.
I go school. Almost right. Say, I go to school.
I go to school.
Great. Next word, happy.
I am happy today.
Very good. See? It's easy.
Yes, not so scary now.
Your turn. Give me a word.
Word is river.
I sit near the river.
Nice. Next word, friend.
You are my friend. You are my good friend.
That's true.
See? This game helps. Simple but useful.
Yes, I like it. Time goes fast.
It's already evening.
We practiced well.
You sound more confident now.
I feel better.
That's the spirit. Tomorrow we practice again.
Deal. Thank you, Emily.
Don't thank me. We're friends. Friends help each other.
Still, I feel lucky to have you.
And I feel lucky too. We're learning together.
True. Let's go before it gets dark.
Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Every day, practice a little. That's how we grow.
English feels easier now.
Yes, you sound natural.
Remember when I was afraid to speak?
Yes, and look at you now.
I feel confident now.
Confident. That's wonderful. Let's teach others too.
Yes, share the method.
Slow and steady wins the race.
Exactly.
Mistakes make us stronger.
Yes, I learn each time.
Now say this sentence clearly.
I believe in myself.
Perfect. That was strong.
Thank you.
Let's record our practice tomorrow.
Great idea. Maybe one day we'll teach online.
Why not? Everyone can learn if they go slow and steady.
Slow English practice changed me.
And it can change others too.
Let's keep learning together. Always.
Always. Remember, don't rush. Just speak slowly.
Slowly and clearly. Got it.
You've grown so much.
Thanks to you.
No, thanks to your effort.
I'll never stop learning.
That's the spirit. Every small step counts. Keep believing in yourself and keep going. Let's practice tomorrow again.
Same time.
Good night, Mike.
Good night, Emily.
Each day is a new chance to learn. Good morning! A new day at Maplewood.
Good morning.
Good morning. Ready to practice again? Let's review yesterday's words.
Sure.
Say them slowly and clearly.
Friend.
Book. River. Perfect start to a new day.
Slow English practice works.
Practice every day, step by step.